everyone and welcome back to my channel StayFit86. Today we have something super exciting to share with you all. As you can see, we've got a big box right here, and it's time for an unboxing and a little bit of kitchen magic. You guys ready? Let's go and open the box and see what's inside. That's right, we've just gotten our hands on the fantastic Bosch Kitchenmachine, and we couldn't be more thrilled. This multifunctional and powerful appliance is going to revolutionize our cooking adventures, and we're about to dive into it for the very first time. But wait, there's more. Our little helpers, my kids, they are buzzing with excitement. Let's quickly talk about why we chose the Bosch Kitchenmachine. With its reputation for quality and reliability, Bosch has been a trusted brand in the kitchen appliance world for years. This particular model has some amazing features that caught our attention. It's designed to make our culinary experiences easier, faster, and more enjoyable. This machine comes with a powerful motor, multiple attachments for various culinary tasks, and a sleek design that will look great in any kitchen. From kneading dough to whisking up a fluffy cake batter, this kitchen machine has got us covered. Look at all these amazing attachments and accessories. It's like a treasure trove of culinary possibilities. We can't wait to explore each one and experiment with all the delicious recipes we have in mind. Great! Stay tuned as we put our new Bosch Kitchenmachine to the test and whip up some fantastic dishes together. If you are interested to buy one of this Bosch kitchen machine, you can check my description below. You can check it easily, and you like it, you can buy it. Thank you all for tuning in today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell, so you never miss my new videos in the future. If you like my video, please give me a like too. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.